I have spotted another 427 Fairlane, guys. Lord have mercy. I say another because this is the second one I videoed today. I don't know how they're going to shake out as far as getting uploaded. Oh, almighty, what a beautiful car. Now, this is Bob at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. And I am at the Shriners Racers Expo and Car Show in Greensboro, North Carolina at the Coliseum. This is an annual event. I think they said on the flyer it's sold out 18 years in a row. I'm not sure about all that with the COVID and stuff, but maybe it did. I don't know. I've been coming to this show a few times over the years. I don't always make it, but I made it this year. I'm glad I did.
First of all, I am so fortunate to be here.
Man, what a beautiful automobile. What a beautiful, beautiful automobile. It's a 4-speed. Field age at 427. You're going to like this. I just know you are.
Right here, he says he's 82. I don't believe it. He's better shape than I am.
Oh, it's another one that's got that. Oh, I wish I could think of that. Yeah, the money. Sorry, Ford guys. Pretty cool car, man. 427. Pretty cool. A little rescue mod action going on here. Nicely done car. Nicely done. All right, folks. See if I can get a. Sometimes it says on the license plate what year it is. See if we can. 67. I know you guys knew that already, but I had to go look. A lot of car shows they have on the placard card. They had the year and all that on there, but they don't do it on this show for some reason. All right, let me turn you loose. See what else we got.